Hi everyone. Welcome to HNM Technologies online training. Video 51 Python automation, web and email. Today we're going to cover two things every developer needs. One is sending emails with Python using SMT library, and second, scheduling tasks using a schedule library. And last video we completed a file and folder automation with a shuttle. Today we go further automating communication and schedules. First, without getting late, let me open a VS Code. Section 1, sending email with a SMT library. Now let's automate something very useful. Sending emails using Python. We use a built-in module called SMTP library, which allows Python to communicate with the email service. First, we need to import, then we have to create a function. And firstly, I am importing the SMT library, importing SMTP library, and then I'm also importing from email.mime, and then I'm created a function send email and to mail subject and the body. These are the parameters, and here we need to give a sender email. So sender email I'm giving, first we define a function with a send email to mail, sender email, and then subject and also a body. Now I need to give a my email details as sender. Here I'm giving my email, GJ my email address and password. Here I'm giving a password which is not my email password, and this is an app password that I need to generate from Google. For this, I'm going to open my Gmail Chrome, and then here I'm searching for Gmail app password. Then I'm giving a mail, app name is mail, and then created, and here it is the password. Then I copied, and here I'm pasting on my Gmail password. I need to remove the white spaces between this password. Just remove. Yeah, done. Now build the email using MIME multipath. So this allows us to structure the email with the subject, sender, receiver, and the body. Then we attach the message body using a MIME text. Now comes to the main part by connecting to the email. So I'm trying exception handling. If any error is expected, error like expect authentication or login failed and check password error like this, I'm expecting the certain authentication error and exception as E. So errors. Here we're not just expecting an errors. We actually creating a secure connection, which is smptgmail.com 465 secure connection, and then we log in using a email, app, and password. And finally we send the email using a server.sendMail. If everything works, it prints a success. If login fails or any error occurs, we handle it using a try expect, and that's it. Now here is my composed email, and the to mail I'm just giving in a customer.example.com, and then subject and the body had there. So booking is confirmed, triple or and 2 golden says total 700 like this I gave. And then if I run this, what will it do? So just see. So after running, it gave me a login file. Check your app password. So app password is correct, but one thing here, so instead of Gmail I gave Gmail and Gmail. Now see, email sent to customer@example.com. Actually I got a delivery mail delivery status which is address not found. A customer@example.com is not found. I'll show you that. You can see here. So now there is a time exactly 4:54, and the delivery status is the address not found. This is what example email we gave in our code, and see received from the my mail address. So this means it's working very perfectly. So to actually send the mail, you may use with in place of an example email, you may give any your friend's email address. Then try this. And one main thing, never use your real Gmail password. Go to Google account and the security, then app, passwords, then generate one of you for Python. So like previously how should I show you, this how you can automate your sending mails with the help of Python. So now it's sending mail to the single recipient. So section 2, sending to multiple recipients. Previously you send mails to the single recipient, one mail ID, and now we'll use multiple recipients at a time. For this I am importing the modules. So as usual previous one, so defining function send bulk and recipient subject and body template, and then sender email and password here. Now one thing I need to change here, so I'm looping. So I'm looping for looping here, name email in a recipients. So I'm just sending a body and message, sender and subject like this. And now I have to create a recipients, different recipients. So list of recipients, Ram, Sita, Jai, and mail IDs are just example mail IDs at the rate example.com like this. These are not actual emails. So if you want, you may change these emails into one of your friends. Okay. Now time to call our bulk function. Now done. So I'm calling with the send bulk function. Here are recipients. These are recipients and subject and body template. Everything is created. Now let's see the output once. Yeah, you can see the output here. Send to Ram and send to Sita, send to Jay. As usual, I also get mails. So delivery is not found because email address is not correct. So that's why I got address not found mails. So this way you can send same mail into multiple recipients. Okay, this is one of the most powerful automation if you are sending bulk emails. Now section 3 is scheduling with a schedule library. Same thing we're going to do. So but we're scheduling the tasks that we're doing in a daily basis. Okay, for this I need to install a schedule library. For this I need to run this command here, pip install schedule. So in a VS Code terminal, so you can see here. And if I run this, I'll get a message like requirement already satisfied. So because I already installed this, so that's why I got a message like this. If you run this at first time, you will get a successfully installed packages 1.2.2 like this. Now let's use this small module. Before using, I need to import them first. So I imported a schedule and then along with a time and a time date. And firstly I created a function which is send daily report. Then another function called clean up temporary files. So I clean the temporary files, and I also created a function called a backup database. Now after creation functions, it's time to schedule the tasks. So I scheduled every day. So firstly at 9 o'clock a.m. and send daily report, and then after clean the temporary files, and for every 10 seconds I am backupping the database. This is what I schedule here, and I'm also printing schedule is running. To stop this, you need to enter Control C. So custom message I have printed. To keep this running, I am using a while loop. So with while is a true, schedule run. So I'm time interval, I'm giving a sleep over 1. So let's run this. So see, it's keep on running. For every 10 seconds, it's keep on running. Okay, see, 1944, 19, and after 10 seconds, 29. and now it's after 39 for every 10 seconds. So database is a backup. You can see for every 10 seconds it's keep on running. Like this we can automate everything in Python using inbuilt modules and libraries. So here you have practice questions in different sections: beginner, intermediate, advanced. And open your VS Code and try all of these questions. After trying, you may get some different errors. Okay, and that time you involve to solve the errors, and you may get a better understanding after practicing these questions. So I hope you practice every question that I have given. So, or you can practice anything. So the thing you need to do is learning something new is not about just knowing. You have to practice. Then only we'll know what exactly it is. Okay. So in this video, we're done send mails from Python using a SMT library, and then also use structuring email properly using MIMA multipart. Then we scheduled with a timer like a daily reports, and then also we can use both scheduled and automated emails. And next video we're going to learn web scraping with a beautiful soup, extracting a real world data from any website. You see there. And thank you for choosing HNM Technology as online training. Happy coding. Bye bye.